Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Welcome to Crayon Shinchan Blind Box Hunt at DiverCity. The Crayon Shinchan Cinema Parade Tour Shop at DiverCity Tokyo Plaza is a must-visit for fans of the series. The shop features a rotating selection of blind boxes, each representing a character from the show. Collectors and fans can find a variety of Shinchan-themed collectibles, including adorable figures that bring a bit of classic Shinchan humor to life. The shop is a nostalgic trip for those who grew up watching Shinchan's mischief, offering a chance to relive childhood memories with each purchase. The store is filled with carefully crafted decorations that are filled with the history of past movies. It is a special store where parents and children can enjoy the world of Crayon Shinchan. There are many popular products, such as original products that can only be purchased here, goods of past movie characters, and goods of new movies. Please take this opportunity to come and visit us. Please like, share, and subscribe. After Gundam Adventure, you can wander into DiverCity Tokyo Plaza and right there, stumbled upon a blast from the past, the Crayon Shinchan Cinema Parade Tour Shop at Level 5. As soon as you spot the Crayon Shinchan blind boxes, it will instantly hit you with waves of nostalgia. Growing up watching Shinchan's mischief, you couldn't pass up the chance to get one. Opening the box felt like reliving childhood memories. The little figures are adorable, and each one brings a bit of that classic Shinchan humor to life in a collectible form. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. The Crayon Shinchan Cinema Parade Tour Shop has a rotating selection of blind boxes, so don't wait too long if you see your favorite character. You'll find a variety of Shinchan-themed goodies there. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Thank you for watching.